Hey guys, I just came back from an overlanding trip with the Mexico Backroads. I went on their Ghost Divide expedition tour that ends at the Overland Expo in Flagstaff, Arizona. If you guys ever get a chance to attend that expo, it's a pretty good experience there if you haven't gone before. My trailer on the tour, the Ghost Divide tour, did exceptionally well. Fully loaded, it came in at 4,000 pounds. Again, I waited, it did pretty good. Waited as I was leaving Texas. There was also another trailer on the tour with an XT suspension. It performed great as well. It was one of those Patriot X2 campers, which is a very nice camper. Anyway, the real reason I wanted to for this video is to highlight the jacking point location that's built into the Cruisemaster suspension, but it's not really known or documented in any of the manuals that I saw for the Cruisemaster XT. And I just wanted to highlight it there because during the unboxing I was trying to figure out exactly what was this circular thing that was underneath this suspension. I didn't know what that was for, but it wasn't until I came across the Cruisemaster R.A.T run, episode number 2. And in the episode, one of the guys started jacking up the trailer, and in the episode it's about maybe 3 to 5 seconds where they'll show where he's actually jacking up the trailer. And I noticed where he was jacking up, and it was at this point here. Like, that's for a bottle jack. That's where the bottle jack goes. I was like, oh, okay. And so I went back to the documentation to see if I could see it anywhere, and it wasn't in there. But anyway, I just wanted to highlight that because during the unboxing I didn't really know exactly what that piece was. But anyway, I'll post a link to that video down below, and the rest of the video is just me jacking up my trailer using that jacking point, which I think to me it's one of those little extra detail features that helps add quality to a product. And I'm glad the guys at Cruisemasters, the engineering team, added that little feature there. I just wished they would have kind of documented it somewhere, so us newbies like myself would know exactly. Oh, that's where the bottle jack goes to jack up your suspension when you're changing a tire, right? Anyway, the rest of the video is just me using that location to jack up my trailer. Enjoy.